Hello dear students, myself Dr. Maddineni Srinivas, your dermatology faculty. So this was the question for which most of the students answered option B as the answer, but remember the correct answer for this question is option C, tuberculosis verrucosa cutis, which is also called as TBVC. So let us go into the question which is mentioned here. So which says 35-year-old farmer presents with single warty lesion on the leg which persisted for several months. So given the occupation, what is the most likely diagnosis? Remember students, those who marked option A, Verruca vulgaris. So if it was due to the human papilloma virus producing the common warts, the verrucous or rough surface lesions are going to be multiple in number, not single as mentioned in this question. So option A is ruled out. And to my surprise, many students also marked mycetoma as the answer. Remember, students, mycetoma is a deep fungal infection which is going to have a triad of features. What are those features? So, in the leg, if it is going to manifest, there will be swelling of the foot and there will be sinuses present in the swelling, and through the sinuses, granules will be coming out. So, GST, goods and service tax. I hope you know this full form of GST. Okay, in India, we follow this tax system. So that will help you to remember the mycetoma clinical features. G for granules, S for sinus tracts, and T for tumor or tumescence. Okay, tumescence is a very costly dermatological word for swelling. Granule sinuses and swelling of the feet are going to be seen in the case of mycetoma, which are not mentioned here, so it is not the answer. So why is TBVC the correct answer? So please look at this explanation. So whenever there is a farmer, there is a high likelihood of coming in contact with the M tuberculosis through the soil, the fecal matter of the animals or the humans. Okay, and this is going to get inoculated, and this will manifest in the form of a single warty plaque wherever it gets inoculated. So that is the reason why the correct answer for this question is TBVC, tuberculosis verrucosa cutis. And also remember, in the children, the lesions are going to be seen over the buttocks. That is also one more possibility, because the children, they will be sitting over their buttocks. And if there is a person who has tuberculosis and he spits over the ground, then there is a possibility of inoculation through the buttocks in the child. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful. If it was helpful, please do hit that like button. Also do share this among your friends who marked this wrong, and also do subscribe the channel for more such awesome dermatology related content on a regular basis. Happy learning. Sarvam Sri Krishna from Sarvejana Sukhino Bhavantu. Thank you so much.